Waiting for the answers to the universe. Waiting for someone to wake me up. Tell me that this is all just a dream. I'm still waiting. Waiting for a different sign. Waiting for someone to take me away. Get these thoughts off my mind. As I wait, thinking of you. Hoping that you are thinking of me too. I cannot sleep without you by me. And I miss you, I miss you, I miss
Hey folks, what is up? It's DCS right back again, and yup, you guessed it right. This time, it's not a Hot Wheel, it's a KinSmart, guys. It's such a cool one. So back to the pullback action metal cars. So yep, guys, this time over here, you again got that answer right. It's the Maserati Gran Turismo MC Stradella, guys. It's a legitimate cool car. It's also called as the second generation one because this car has got 4 seats. So yup, the first generation had the 2 seats, but this one has got the 4-seat version. So it's also called as the 2+2 coupe. Yeah, the 2+2 coupe because it's got 4 seats and 2 doors. So yep, they describe it as the body style of the car, but yeah, I just like to call it the coupe. So yep, guys, sign about the last week's video. Well, the last week's video was about the Mercury Cougar. It was a legit cool car with the rubber tires and all those dazzling stuff. So yeah, moving to the quick quiz, guys, of the last week. It was, what do you mean by a pony car? The answer was, it is an American car classification for affordable, compact, and highly styled coupes or convertibles. So yup, that's the answer, guys. And the first person to actually comment that was Danush B. Once again, congratulations, buddy, for giving 2 correct answers. That is so damn fast, like really fast. So yep, you just got a shout out from me. So check his channel out. I think he does have one. So yeah, guys, moving to today's car. It's a legit amazing one, so can't wait to unbox it. You know the drill. First for the unboxing and then for the information. So let's go for it. So yeah, guys, it's time to feast your eyes on this amazing Maserati right here. So going up to the front, guys, the front, it's got the cool Maserati logo, and the headlamps quite match the Jaguar, but still it's a Maserati right here. And yup, the center of attraction, the hood scoop of the car is legit amazing. And moving on to the sides of the car, guys, the sides of the car, you've got the 20-inch OEM wheels, which is legit so damn cool. And yup, the side skirts of the car, which is not quite projected. I guess you guys can't see that, but still, once you get the car, you can take a look at it. And yup, guys, talking about the black tone interior, it's so damn nice, but yeah, you guys can't see it, so can't describe much about it. So yeah, guys, moving up to the rear, you've got the chromed exhaust with the cool detail tail lamps, and you've got the MC Stradella written there, which is really nice. Actually, the carbon fiber exhaust, it's quite black in color, but this is the chrome type, so yeah, can't describe much about that. You've got even the spoiler over there, which is legit amazing. So yep, guys, it's time to move to the information. So let's go for it. So yep, guys, it's time to know something about this cool Maserati MC Stradella, guys. So yeah, moving on to the engine. It's gonna be a short information. So yep, guys, moving to the engine. The engine is actually a 4.7 liter V8, and talking about the transmission, guys, the transmission actually a 6-speed robotized manual, which you can shift quick. So yeah, moving up to the acceleration, guys. The acceleration, it does it in 4.8 seconds. I mean, the 0 to 60 is 4.8 seconds, which is legit amazing on this car. So moving to the top speed, guys, the best part, This car does the top speed in 186 miles per hour, which is 303 kilometers per hour. This is the only Gran Turismo to touch that top speed, guys. So, yup, moving to the horsepower, this car packs up to 460 horsepower, which is legit amazing. And yup, the last thing is the price. The price of this car is ranging. Actually, there's no ranging. It's actually 110,000 pounds, guys, which is some legit money to pay. So, yup, moving to the last part, that's the special facts. So, let's go for it. So, yup, it's quite a big one, though. So, yup, guys, here it tells that the push of the Maserati Gran Turismo MC Stradella came from the existing Maserati customer who wanted a Roligo super sports car that looked and felt like the GT4, guys. Yup, the thrill of the customers, they just want that car. So yup, then came the Maserati MC Stradella. So yup, guys, that was the special facts, and yup, here's the end of my video. So I hope you enjoyed it. So you know what to do, just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share to all your friends and family. I'll see you all next week, guys. This week there's no quick quiz, so yup, you can expect that in the next week. I'll see you all then. Bye bye, enjoy your weekend.